Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, in this session, I'll be taking you through the basics of SolidWorks user interface. You could see the agenda. First, we'll go through the menu bar. We'll cover the command manager, feature manager, task pane, heads up view toolbar, and finally we'll see the graphics area. Once you open the SolidWorks with the model, you will see this user interface. So this is the menu bar where we do all the basic operations like saving the files and copying the files, etc. This is the command manager where we'll be having all the defaults tool for the required workbench. Likewise for assembly, for features, surfacing, and the sheet metals. This is the feature manager where we have the property manager and the configuration manager included in it. At your right side, you could see the file explorer, design library, view palette with the appearance. This all includes the task pane. This is the design library where we have all the ready-made fasteners available for our components. Here we have the heads up view toolbar where we have all the basic requirements like the section view, display styles, appearances, and so on. And finally, this is the graphics area where we do all the operations to design a component or the parts. This is the SolidWorks 2021 version which I'm using. The menu bar contains the files, added features, views, inserts, and the tools related to the different workbenches. We have the equations as well as the design tables included in it. And then we have this toggle tool here to dock the basic tools which we regularly use. We have the options where we set all the system options as well as the document properties as defaults. We'll see how to customize these things later on. This is the search bar where we use it for searching for the commands as well as the files and the models. Next one, this is the command manager where we have all the tools related to the workbenches. Let's say this is the assembly. We have the assembly tools related into this particular command manager tab. Likewise, we have the sketch, features, surfacing, and so on. Next comes is the feature manager tree where we have all the features loaded here, and just below that we have the default planes and the origin. Whatever the operations we are going to do, it will be stored just below this. We have the property manager which will help us to load the required inputs for the particular feature. The configuration manager where we can create the multiple components or the configurations for the components. Next comes is the heads up view toolbar where we have the design library. As we said, all the default toolbox components will be stored. The file explorer, which is the easiest way to explore all the files from here. You can easily drag and drop the components inside the SolidWorks by using the file explorer. We have the view palette which will help us to set up all the defaults drawings so that you can just utilize all the standard views and simply drag and drop it to create the drafting. We have the appearances and the scenes. Here we can utilize them as per the requirement. Finally, coming to the heads of view toolbar, where we have the zoom fit and the zoom to area, which will help you to just zoom to the particular area, and this is the one which will help you to just go to the previous view which you had worked on. Next comes to the section view. It will give you the standard planes. You can able to switch according to the requirement. These are the compass triggers. You can set it up accordingly, and you can just have the sections views. If you don't want it, you can simply uncheck the section view. We have the standard orientations. From here we can select it: isometric view, normal to view. From here also you can select all the required views. So these are the advanced tools where we can activate the coordinate systems, reference axis, and so on. Here we can edit the appearances if you would like to edit the previous appearance which you have it. Here we have all the standard backgrounds. We can able to use them as per the requirement. And by default, 3-point faded is active. We would recommend to use plain white for the working. So this is the view settings where we have the real view graphics. If you have the graphics card integrated, which should be supported for the SolidWorks. If you would like to set it up, if your graphics card is not supported, we have the tutorial for that. Please check and activate the graphics card. So these are the different options. So this is for the shadow in shaded mode, real view graphics. Finally, to summarize, we had went through menu bar, command manager, feature manager, task pane, as well as the heads of view tools, and we had seen the graphics area. In the next session, I'll be covering how to customize the SolidWorks user interface. Feel free to contact us, and we will be happy to assist you for your doubts and the concerns. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.